What is going on, guys? Back with another video, and today I'm finally in my 2018 Mustang GT after a week of not being in it, and let me tell you, it feels good to be back, and trust me, I'm back and I'm better than ever. So if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe down below to my channel. If you don't know me by now, I am That Orange GT, and today I do have a couple different parts I came in for my Mustang. Can't wait to show it to you guys, but for now, I'm gonna head over to my favorite spot to do videos. I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Just made it over to my favorite spot to do these update videos, and as you can see, the car behind me, and I think it's perfect while we're outside right now. Just came back from LA, and LA was super fun. If you guys haven't checked out those videos, make sure you go ahead and do that down in the description down below. Also, I did go to San Francisco. I think I have no videos of that. However, it was still a fun time, but now I am back with the Mustang with another update video, 6,000 mile update, and boy, it's just a big one. There's so much things for me to cover in this video. I have no idea where to start, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the car. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm just gonna quickly walk around the car like I do in all my update videos. There is really nothing different if you guys are familiar with my channel. However, I'm gonna go in and go through the details of my car. As you can see in the front, there's nothing really different. Changed the pony emblem, added the stow and go bracket. Moving on to the side, I have the Rovos Pretor wheels. They're 20 by 8.5 in the front, 20 by 10s in the back. Have the Brembos painted to match Fury Orange, which is honestly, it needed to be done a long time ago, and they just pop out so well on behind these wheels. It's just absolutely crazy. Have the RTR side skirts running along the side of the car, and I really love the back piece. All these parts are going to be available at American Muscle, because if you guys don't know, I am supported by them, so the link for American Muscle is going to be in the description down below. And what makes American Muscle so good is not their parts and their prices, it's their customer service. If there's ever a mistake, they're going to fix it for you, and that's honestly why I think they're the best in the game. With that being said, moving along to the car, have the M&D V-Series wing, have the Ford Racing deck lid with the active Corsa exhaust, which is probably my favorite thing on this car. And then coming inside the car, again, it's gonna be pretty much stock. Just have a Pokeball shifter that is Orange Fury, which is pretty cool. And that's gonna be it for the differences on this car. Well, what I did to it. Oh, one more thing, the roof wrap as well. Can't forget the roof wrap. With the car being shown, just actually finished up what I wanted to show you guys, and it's right over here. But before I show you guys what I got, I just want to make a quick comment that if you guys haven't signed up for the American Muscle Car Show, make sure you guys go ahead and do that right now. Or if you guys haven't and you guys aren't going to be there, you can always watch my channel, and I'm going to have full coverage of the event. So make sure you subscribe down below for that as well. I actually have a specialty pass for the show because my car is going to be at the Rovos Wheels booth. So if you guys do end up making it to the show, make sure you come stop by and see me. I'll make sure to say hi to you guys if you guys stop by. And if that being said, let's go check out the parts. So I'm not sure if I told you guys this, but here it is. These are the Roush scoops for the front of the car to make it a complete Roush bumper, and I'm super excited about this. This is something I've always wanted to do, and huge thanks to American Muscle for actually making it come true. It really hooked my car up, and I think it's going to look absolutely killer. Just to show you guys a sample of what it's going to look like, I have the splitter coming in for it and everything, and I'm also going to have the bottom grille as well. So I'm going to have pretty much the full Roush fascia, and I don't want to spoil everything, but I do have some new vents coming as well for the car, so super excited to show you guys that. And just to give you guys a teaser of what this is going to look like on the car, you pretty much insert right over there. It's going to give it a super aggressive look, especially with the new splitter on there that goes up the sides. It's going to look really killer. I am very excited about these installs coming up. I can't wait to show the install process and the finished product. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. I can't say enough thank yous to American Muscle for making this dream come true. Hopefully supercharger next, so make sure you subscribe down below for that. Also, I am gonna be going to many different events and meeting up with many different YouTubers over this next year. So you guys are not gonna wanna miss this. Trust me, this channel is only gonna go up from here. It took me so long to get to 1,000, but after 1,000, I got to 500 super quickly thanks to everyone who subscribed. I really appreciate it, and I know those OGs, I see them comment on every single video, and I honestly, a huge shout out to you guys. And if I see a comment from someone like that, I am going to choose between all the people who I see the most comments from and try to do a giveaway for you guys, because I really appreciate the support, and honestly, it means a lot to me. So some of the events I'm going to be going to, just to give you an example, is going to be American Muscle. So if you guys see me at the show, make sure you say hi. I am going to be walking around doing a video of the full event. So if you can't make it, again, watch my channel. I'm going to be covering the full thing. I'm going to be at the Rovos wheel booth, so just come say hi if you see me. I am local to Virginia, so make sure if you guys see me at the local car show, you can come say hi to me as well. That being said, I am going to go Mustang Week as well. I'm going to be meeting up with a ton of YouTubers. If you guys know Stang Mode or, you know, Xander Automotive, super nice guys. If you guys know their channel, you know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be meeting up with them as well, and hopefully meet up with some other YouTubers as well and try to collaborate in the future. There's so much things I have planned to install in this car, and honestly, I appreciate everyone who subscribed. It gives me motivation to keep working on this car, and it keeps motivating me to, you know, actually get my goals done faster than I anticipated. I got this car built so fast that honestly I didn't have time to even enjoy it stock. So to me, I mean, this car build is going absolutely crazy fast, and I don't think you guys want to miss what's next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below, and I look forward to talking to you guys after I get the extra Roush parts that I'm waiting for, and I'm going to start these installs. And with that being said, see you guys next time.